Hi, and welcome to another weekly roundup, and hopefully the last one I'll be recording from home. The Easter break certainly didn't seem to stem the flow of news coming through this week. And one of the standout items was the announcement that Vitec had acquired Exterity Limited. As a global leader in IP video streaming solutions, Vitec's move clearly signals the developer's intention to strengthen its leadership position, but also extend its reach into new geographies, market verticals and partners. Founded 20 years ago in Scotland, Exterity has experienced phenomenal growth during the past 5 years, with the creation of offices across the globe including London, New York, Johannesburg, Dubai, Singapore and Sydney. CEO Colin Farquhar will remain a central part of the leadership team of the combined company. Great news to see that in partnership with Shaw, the Professional Audio Manufacturers Alliance, PAMA, has announced the establishment of the Mark Brunner Professional Audio Scholarship. A well-known and widely respected industry figure, Mark had worked for Shaw since 1989 and passed away suddenly last October. Throughout his career, he championed education and been heavily involved with mentorship programs. The $2,000 scholarship will be offered annually to students worldwide pursuing an education in professional audio. And no real surprise that another Asian exhibition has been cancelled. This week was the turn of the Palm India Expo, scheduled to take place in Mumbai at the end of May. But with COVID numbers on the rise once more across the state and beyond, the organisers have widely taken the decision to postpone the show until May 2022. Two German brands showcased their technologies for the 36th America's Cup, which set off from the Auckland coast recently. Riedel provided extensive remote support from its Remote Operations Centre, or ROC, based in Wuppertal, Germany. The ROC served as a monitoring and engineering hub that could remotely access the system set up in Auckland. This was then supported by a 30-strong on-site team managing audio, video, communications, tracking and data transmission systems, including signals from onboard cameras, chase boats and helicopters. Sennheiser microphones were deployed for the event coverage and matched to Riedel's Bolero wireless intercoms and integrated into the communication setup. Sennheiser's dedicated engineers provided custom-made waterproof microphones for the crew's boom sets and onboard cameras. Let's hope no one needed to quarantine. With a maximum capacity of 120,000, the impressive Dushanbe Central Mosque is the largest mosque in Tajikistan and one of the largest in Central Asia. The mosque complex features several prayer halls, a library, a museum, an outdoor courtyard and 4 minarets, towering nearly 76 metres high. A&T Trade was called in to design and install a Harman professional networked audio system in the challenging space, and elected to deploy 170 JBL IntelliVox loudspeakers powered by Axis, BSS and Soundcraft Solutions. According to project manager Yanis Zanabibs, the mosque structure created a very complicated delay matrix, but using IntelliVox they were reportedly able to create a uniform sound that was consistent throughout. Then, in the heart of Johannesburg's Rosebank district, Pixel Nation has recently inaugurated a brand new virtual production studio with content delivery based on Streamworks infrastructure from Stage Audio Works. Operating fully on an SDI workflow with 20 screens throughout the studio, Pixel Nation can create virtual environments and teleport speakers in from around the globe so that it feels to the audience as though the speakers are on the same stage. According to Pixel Nation's directors, the success of the Streamworks integration has enabled the company to compete globally rather than just on a local level. Finally, in appointments news this week, Henry Chan has returned to Arup to head up the Acoustics, Audiovisual and Theatre Consulting Division in Hong Kong. Maya Sound has announced a strategic realignment of top-level sales management responsibilities. Maya Sound Germany has been renamed Maya Sound Europe, assuming responsibility for sales and support activities across Middle East and Africa under Managing Director Wolfgang Leut. The change allows Director of International Sales, Scott Gledhill, to focus exclusively on APAC. And Ayrton has announced the appointment of Matt Hallard as the latest member of its expanding international sales team. Hallard takes up the position of Regional Sales Manager for Turkey, in addition to a number of other European territories. That's it for now. Thanks as always for watching and see you next week.